Hello, kindergarten. We're going to start with a little bit of Haggerty, and then we're going to go into our story, which is called Zooborns. It's a nonfiction book about baby animals that have been born in zoos around the world. So let's do a good job in Haggerty so we can listen to our story. All right, we're going to start with rhyming words. Please tell me what two words rhyme. Here we go. Rain, cold, told. Cold, told. Very good. Best sing thing. Sing thing. Good. Help pick kick. Pick kick. Great. Fox rug tug. Rug tug. Last one. Lock door floor. Door floor. Very good. All right. Which word begins like ostrich, opera, or sister? Opera. Good. Everyone say ostrich, opera. Very good. Here we go. What word begins like garden, cotton, or gallon? Gallon. What word begins like excellent, extra, or lunchbox? Extra. What word begins like daughter, total, or distant? Distant. Very good. All right. I'm going to chop up some words. You're going to blend them together. Here we go. R-O-D. R-O-D. Road. K-ite. K-ite. Kite. L-ate. L-ate. Late. N-oat. N-oat. Note. Last one. L-o-n. L-o-n. Loan. Very good. All right, let's get our roller coasters going. Word is goat. G-oat. Wise. W-eyes. Reach. R-each. Date. D-ate. Last one. Peak. P-eek. Good job. All right. Here we go. Now I'm going to say a word. You're going to chop it. The word is bone. B-o-n. Like. L-I-k. Hope. H-o-p. Bait. B-a-t. Last one. Goat. G-o-t. Very good. Good work. All right, let's get ready for some Zooborns. Here we go. So this book is a nonfiction book because it is true. It has facts in it and it has lots of photographs. Look at that cute guy there. All right, here we go. Hello there. I'm Becco, and I'm an Asian elephant. When I grow up, I'll be one of the largest animals in all the land. But these days, I'm happiest rolling around with my big blue ball. There you can see a size comparison at the bottom. There's what a grown-up elephant will look like compared to some of these animals we're going to see. They call me radar ears. I'm a fancy fox. My big ears help me hear yummy insects crawling across the sand. Listen, do you hear them? My name is Minari, and I'm an orangutan. Check out my bright orange mop top. Look at that hair. There's no such thing as a bad hair day for me. Look, it looks like he's blowing kisses. Hello, I'm Hoover, and I'm a tawny frogmouth. They call me a frogmouth because of my beak. I can open it really wide, calling all bugs. It's dinner time. To me, that almost looks like it's some kind of owl. I wonder what the grown-up looks like. I'm Kai, and I'm a spotted hyena. Don't be fooled by my puppy dog good looks. We hyenas are more related to cats than to dogs. Mom says I'm perfect. I did not know that a hyena was more like a cat than a dog. They sure look like dogs, huh? Oh my goodness. Look at that cute guy. My name is Amani, and I'm an aardvark. One day I'll grow into all this extra skin, but for now, I think wrinkles rule. So an aardvark is kind of like an anteater. Isn't he so cute? Look at that wrinkly skin. I'm Miracle Kitten, and I'm an ocelot. My teeth are starting to come in. Want to see? Ah! Look at, there's his little teeth. He's starting to poke through. Look at that little ocelot. Remember when we learned about ocelots for letter O? Hi, I'm Hassani. I'm a gorilla, and my name means handsome in Swahili. The zookeepers say my name suits me well. I think so too. Do you think he's a handsome little gorilla? Callie and Durga here. We're Bengal tiger twins. We look so much alike, sometimes people can't tell us apart. But we bet you can. And look at, that's the baby from the cover. Bengal tigers. Does anyone know what that is? They call me Ruby. I'm a kangaroo. What's a gal to do when her fur hasn't grown in yet? Snuggle into this warm and fuzzy blankie. That's what. So when kangaroos are born, they're actually super teeny tiny, and they crawl into their mommy's pouch and they grow there, and they don't have any fur when they're born. They almost look like little slugs. My name is Sasa, and I'm a banded mongoose. The zookeepers say I'm a real rascal. Do I look like trouble to you? All right. I'm Tahani, and I'm a crown sifaka. When I was born, my mom couldn't take care of me. So for now, the zookeepers do. They gave me this big teddy bear. So cuddly. G'day, I'm Matari, a wombat. I come from Australia, where I love to dig in the dirt. Check out the built-in shovels on my paws. Look at those big claws. Hello there. I'm an anteater, otherwise known as Tamadua. I was just born, and my mama hasn't named me yet. Got any ideas for her? What would you name a baby anteater? And I'm Bella, a beluga whale. As I get older, I'll turn all white like my mom and dad. But you know what will never change? My smile. Beluga whale. And that is the end. And at the end of the book, it gives some more facts about each of the animals, and it tells where they are. Like the fancy fox at the beginning lives in South Korea at a zoo. The elephant lives at the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium in Ohio. So it talks about where all of them come from. The ocelot is from Connecticut. The orangutan lives in Louisiana. Okay. Very, very cool. The whale, beluga whale at the end, lives in Illinois. All right. So I hope you enjoyed our story. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Bye-bye.